Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet. And here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us with the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much, my return supporters. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video we're going to be trying on and talking about a couple of products from Murad. This is the Cellular Hydration Repair Cream. This line is fantastic. I'm telling you guys that I've been using for a little minute now. I do have this and I meant to make this video long ago, but now we got a little minute, so let's do this. All right, so I did film a little piece using each one of the product for you guys, and I think I commented on the video that was a lot of construction noise when I was filming that video, so I was thinking about to do like a voiceover, explain to you guys a little bit about each one of the products. But since now it's late, it's 5:40, so I am ready to go to the gym. I go to the gym like a six something. Then before I leave, I'm gonna film this piece of the video. So yes, so this line, if you never tried yet, this is actually good for pretty much normal skin, combination dry and oil skin, so it's safe for all the skin type. And this is the Cellular Hydration Repair Cream, and we also have here the Cellular Hydration Repair Serum, and you also have the Cellular Repair mask. So this mask here you can use overnight, put a thick layer on your skin and just leave sitting overnight for have, you know, amazing long-term hydration. And this product line is known to repair the skin barrier, and in little 30 minutes of use of this serum that can start to happen. And I'm gonna tell you guys some of the ingredients that they have on this product. So now we're gonna talk about the Cellular Hydration Repair Serum. This is a concentrate serum that has Heisha peptide 9 for visual restore and repair the skin barrier. You know, this actually hydrate and repair the skin in a cellular level, which is a deeper level. Apparently the biomimic Heisha peptide 9 repair skin damage and reinforce the skin barrier, and the peptides helps reduce the water loss on the skin. This product here actually is amazing. So I'm going to put a video for us trying the product, and then we talk about a little bit of each one of them as we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry Murad it takes so long for me to upload the video. I just, you know, I've been struggling with my time lately, you know, a lot of things to do and very little bit of time, but I try my best, I swear. Look what we got here. This is the skin barrier from Murad, and this is new, 2 years in the making. This is what the set look like. Thank you so much Murad for sending me. I love you guys. Here we have the Cellular Hydration Repair Serum. Let's see what it look like. Just put it here so I can show you guys, but let's apply for the skin. I like to use morning and evening, and the skin automatically looks and feels fabulous. And this concentrate serum repairs skin barrier in just 30 minutes at the cellular level. What go, this is amazing. Now we have this duo here. This is the Cellular Hydration Repair Cream, and then this is the Cellular Hydration Repair Mask. Now it's morning, so we're going to use the cream for the morning, and then later I come back and throw in a coat of the mask. In the end of the day, after clean my skin, add the serum, we come back and use the mask. And these creams is a daily nourish cream with fatty acids, bilberry omegas that immediately repair dry, flaky skin at the cellular level. If you're looking for a winter addition to your skincare routine, this is definitely one of my favorites, and you definitely should give them a try. Skin looking beautiful. So I'll see you guys in a little bit for us to try the mask. So it's almost bedtime. I just washed my face and I added some of this serum so that my skin is beautiful and glowy because it's clean, and I just have the serum applied. This is a overnight mask. It's a little thicker, so you apply a generous layer all over the skin. Oh, this feels so good on the skin. It just feels amazing. This beauty here also have the bilberry omegas that helps to repair dry, flaky skin to a cellular level. Go to sleep and tomorrow you're gonna wake up with gorgeous skin. Yes, guys, so if you guys want to give a try on this Murad line, I definitely going to link them on the description of this video where you guys can purchase them. And I hope you love them as much as I do. Murad have many different skin type of products, so no matter what your skin issue, they're gonna have a line there that's gonna help you. So if it's acne, aging, dry, or whatever that you need, they're gonna have a line. So if you never checked them out yet, link is on the bio and the description. Alright, and don't forget to check them out. Bye.